Welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the biggest debates in the programming world, imperative versus declarative programming. We will explore the differences, the philosophies behind them, and how they impact the readability and maintenance of your code. Let's start with imperative programming. This approach focuses on how to achieve a result. When you write imperative code, you are giving the computer explicit, step-by-step instructions on control flow and state changes. It is like micromanaging the process. Think of it like a cooking recipe. You follow specific steps, crack 2 eggs, whisk for 30 seconds, heat the pan, and then pour the mixture. If you miss a step or change the order, the result might fail. This is exactly how imperative code works. You define every action. On the other hand, we have declarative programming. This style focuses on what the result should be. Instead of listing steps, you describe the desired logic or outcome, and you let the underlying system or framework handle the details of how to get there. Imagine you are at a restaurant. You simply tell the waiter, "I would like the steak medium rare." You do not tell the chef how to slice the meat, what temperature to set the stove, or how long to cook it. You just declare what you want, and the restaurant handles the rest. Let's look at the code. On the left, the imperative approach uses a for loop to manually iterate through numbers and push even ones into a new array. On the right, the declarative approach simply uses the filter method. It reads much more like a sentence. Filter the numbers where n is even. This brings us to readability. Declarative code is generally more concise and easier to understand because it focuses on intent rather than mechanics. It reduces visual noise. However, for complete beginners, the hidden logic can sometimes feel like magic. But imperative programming has its place. It offers granular control over every aspect of the program, which is critical for system performance, game engines, or embedded devices where memory and CPU cycles must be managed manually. When it comes to debugging, imperative code is often easier to step through line by line because you can see every state change. Declarative code can be harder to debug because the logic is abstracted away, but it generally produces fewer bugs because there are fewer moving parts to break. In summary, use imperative coding when you need fine-grained control and performance. Use declarative coding for better readability and faster development in data processing and user interfaces. Most modern applications successfully use a mix of both styles.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.